Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. And today's a very special day. Well, it is to me. It's my birthday today. My birthday, Friday the 13th of March. And I thought I'd bring you a project that I'd love to receive if I was making a gift to send to myself, which would be odd. But anyway, this is a project that I have made a version of in the past. So I've done wreaths for quite a few years. I did one in Springwatch many years ago, I think maybe 2015, possibly 2014. And then I followed it up with a Valentine's one, and this is all illuminated. I have done Christmas ones every year for years, but I haven't made a spring one for a while. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn down my lighting that's above me, if I can, and pop the lights on. If I can work out how to do it. There we go. So hopefully you can see that. Let me just turn the lights up again, and then I'll turn them down, and you should be able to catch the lighting just as it changes. But yeah, it's lovely. It's all illuminated, and actually this is one that goes inside a bottle, bizarrely. But you can get these little wired LED lights really easily in lots of different places. So I'm going to put my lights back up again and let everything sort itself out and adjust itself. There we go. So I have got the last 3 butterflies to finish off, and they're going to go into this gap here, which is where I've put this ribbon so that I can hang it. So I've got the last few, and what I've used is an old, or rather old, it came out a year ago, Butterfly Gala. So this stamp set came out with the matching punch in the spring summer catalogue last year, and it was so popular that it immediately went on to back order, but it's back now. It's still much beloved favourite. And the colours I've used for these, and why I'm going to finish off with a pink, is Real Red, Pumpkin Pie, Daffodil Delight. This one is Call Me Clover, Pacific Point, and Gorgeous Grape. So almost all from the Brights collection. Pumpkin Pie is from Regals and Call Me Clover is an in colour, but the rest are all from the Brights collection. Actually, Real Red isn't. Real Red used to be a Bright, it's now Regals as well. 2 Regals, an in colour, and then it will be 4 that are from the Brights collection. So really not at all everything from the Brights collection. Okay. So here's the Butterfly Gala set. You can see it's a much beloved one. Look at the colour of those photopolymer stamps. Outrageous. Right, let me pop this on a block. Oh, okay. Didn't want to pick up. Okay, I think it's so well loved that this stamp set now possibly needs a bit of a scrub. So beautifully stamped. I love them, and you know how much I love Wink of Stella. So I'm just going to zoom in so you can see me making this colour bleed. So Wink of Stella obviously has a liquid in it. Don't ask me what it is, it's magic. And then suspended in that liquid is glitter. And that's what's going to change the colours, because our inks are water-based. And it means that you can move the ink around. Still got a little bit of time. I'm actually only going to use one of the small ones and the 2 big ones. So I'm not going to colour the 3rd one in. I love these. So yeah, it's my birthday today. My husband happens to be days off today. So I'm hoping we're going to go out for lunch, something like that, and maybe my parents will come over and join us in the evening. The children are at school, so yeah, I hope so. I'm sure we will. Right, so they're all coloured, and hopefully if I compare that to this one, you can see the colour difference. Just lovely. Right, let me zoom back out again. Oh, my grid paper's a bit all over the place. There we go. And so the Butterfly Duet Punch, it does it for you. I love it. It's easy peasy. Line it up, punch it out. There we go. And that's the one I don't need. So all I'm going to do now is I'm just going to fold the wings to give them a little elevation. And do you know what? Mini glue dots work really well on this. They really, really do. You don't need anything more than that. I think if you were going to put really heavy flowers or something on, then yeah, you might want to be using hot glue. But I've genuinely find mini glue dots are absolutely fine for this. I've used mini glue dots on these projects for years, and I don't actually own a hot glue gun anymore. I did have one, and then small people needed to use it for something. So there we go. I love it. Super simple. What a quick what a quick project. I've only done the finished part of it, but it didn't take me very long to make. My wreath, this particular wreath is an 8-inch wreath, and that's the outside dimensions from left to right. You can get bigger ones and smaller ones. I'm going to show you my Valentine one that I did years and years and years ago, as in absolutely years ago, and I still have it. You might recognise some of these, and if hopefully, I don't know if you can see that, it's got red lights on it. You possibly can't see, maybe if I turn. There you go, it's got red glowing lights in it. So yeah, I've had this one for a long time, and it there we go. It hangs like that, so that's the angle it's at, so the flowers are sort of all off to one side. I've done winter ones many times over, so this is a bigger wreath. This is a 9.5, actually I think this is a 10-inch wreath, so that one's a bit bigger. This one's slightly smaller, as you can see, but yeah, I love them. I love to make decorative wreaths. Might hang this one up again, even though it's not Valentine's Day. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.